Check out the 2018 300. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power passenger seat, leather shift knob, overhead console. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.